Please respond in the chat, guys. Please respond in the chat. I had sent a message in the chat box also, like session started. I believe you received that message. All right, guys. All right. So let us start our session here today. Right, guys. So before starting our session, as always, let us try to have a very small and a quick recap of the topics which we had covered in our yesterday's class, guys. Yesterday's class. So, guys, yesterday, yes, actually, we have started discussing about what are the naming rules which we need to follow whenever we are whenever we are writing an identifier. I told you some rules we need to follow, like small a to small z, like alphabet any alphabet between small a to small z, capital A to capital Z. We can use numbers, but not exactly. We cannot start an identifier with a number. We can use numbers, like in the middle we can use, but actually we cannot start an identifier with a number. And underscore dollar, and after that case sensitiveness, the length, we can have any length, no spaces are allowed. All those particular concepts we have covered in our yesterday's class. After that, we have seen what are actually separators. I told you 1 2 3 4 5 6 separators are there, like semicolon, comma, block, like flower braces, parenthesis, array, like square braces. Guys, did you remember I told you yesterday, if you are seeing square braces, what you need to remember, what we need, like immediately, what is the point that should be coming into your mind? That is an array. That is an array. Yes, that is very good, guys. Impressive. Very good. So after that, yes, dot, period, we have already seen that. And then we had seen what are the different components inside a Java method. As a matter of fact, you told me, I did not told these components. You told me that if anyone, like new people came to Java, and if you want to explain them about a Java method, I believe you can do this. Can you? Can you do that, guys? Yes, exactly. Definitely 100% you can do that. What are the components? Modifier, access modifier, return type, method name, a parameters list, exception list, method body. But when you're coming to this exception list, yeah, up to now we did not cover, but we'll be covering that. We'll be covering that, guys. Right. Now our next topic is, today I'm going to start with understanding Java understanding Java method return type. Understanding Java method return type. So guys, actually this is a pretty interesting topic, understanding actually Java method return type. So at the time of demo sessions, some people are having a small doubt regarding method return type. So let us try to have a clear-cut picture about this method return type today, guys. So are you ready? Come on, guys. Come on. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Now, so guys, I'm going to start my session with a question. Sir, what, sir? Directly you are starting a session with a question? Yeah, why not? Let's go. Now, the question is, when the compiler will be coming back from the method to its calling method. When the compiler will be coming back from the method to its calling method. Sir, I did not understand the question clearly. Okay, let me explain you. For example, let me just try to have a method. Okay, all right. Void method one. What is the access modifier for this method one? what is the access modifier for this method one? Yes, that is great. That is great. Default. Very good, guys. Very good. Everyone gave the perfect answer. That is nice. That is nice. Now, just let me try to have system.out.println 10, system.out.println 20, and system.out.println 30. 30. Now, just let me go to my, I'm writing my main method. I'm writing my main method. Can you please tell me why I'm writing a main method? Why? Why I need to write a main method? What is your answer? Why I need to write a main method? No, not guys, not for calling method one. Don't say that calling method one. No, that is not a perfect answer. Why I need to write main method? I am writing main method because without main method, I cannot run my Java program. One more time I am saying you. One more time I am saying you. For example, guys, for example, let me remove this main method. Now, right click, run as, where is the Java application? Where is the Java application? Right? So there is no Java application. Why? Because your program is not having main method. Okay. So if you want to run a Java program, pretty much damn sure what you need. What you need? Main method. Exactly. Main method. Remember, guys, main method is required for running a Java program. And of course, every Java program execution starts from main method and ends with main method. All right. All right. Okay. Now, I just want to create an object. Okay. New class A. I'm creating an object. Fine. And for this object, let me try to have a reference. AOBJ belongs to class A like this. Now, guys, answer my question. Am I supposed to take AOBJ only or any name? Sir, yesterday only we had completed the topic, sir. Why again you're asking us? Okay. So you know that we can take any name. But whenever we are taking any name, we are supposed to maintain the rules. If you are not maintaining the rules, we'll be getting an error. Am I right or wrong? Yes. That is good. That is good. All right. Now, simply, I'm trying to call AOBJ dot method one. AOBJ dot method one. Now, let me execute my program. Right click, run as Java application. Oh, just a second. Just a second. Right. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Okay. Right. One more minute. Right. Now, this is better. Right click, run as Java application. Yes, I'm getting my output like this. Yes, this is great. This is great. So, guys, this is my output. Now, Shrikant is saying, sir, once try another name. Shrikant, I'm requesting you to do the same. Can you do that for me? If I try, you will see. If you try, you will learn. Okay, buddy? What will happen here? Just try it. You will get it. Trust me. And if you are having any trouble, I'm there now. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, method one. Okay, so just simply I'm trying to call this method one. I'm getting my output like this. Okay. So now, guys, my question is, what is the calling method for method 1? Just tell me, what is the calling method for method 1? Sir, main method. We already covered a lot of programs regarding this. In our demo sessions only we have covered. Yes, that is great. Now my question is, okay, for example, system.out.println, system.out.println, strt start and system.out.println, and here I am writing endn like this. Okay, so right click, run as Java application. Yes, I'll be getting my output as start 10, 20, 30 and n. Okay, okay. Now, guys, from line number 15, can you please tell me where our compiler will be going? Tell me the line number. Tell me the line number. Tell me the line number, please. Exactly. From line number 15, our compiler will be directly going to line number 5. Okay. Now my question is, when the compiler will be coming back here? When the compiler will be coming back again? Exactly. After executing all the statements which were present inside method 1. Am I right or wrong? So can I write like this? So a compiler will be a compiler will be coming back to its calling method in one of the below situations. Wow, one of the below situations. How many situations are there? Let us check, guys. Now we already know one situation. What is that? After executing all the statements which were present in that particular method. Just let me try to write like this. After executing all the statements, which were present in that method. Okay, which were present in that method. Yeah, fine. That is great. Okay, we already know that. What about other situations? Yes. I'll be letting you know. Now, let me try to have one more method, guys. Guys, I want you to concentrate correctly, please. Okay, Mukesh, no, that is wrong. Please wait for it. Okay, now int method 2, and simply I'll be trying to write system.out.println and method 2 called called like this, method 2 called, and I'm pretty much damn sure you know why I am getting an error at line number 11. Can you please tell me why I am getting an error at line number 11? Come on. No, Nikhil. No, wrong answer, Nikhil. Come on. Go ahead. Yes, that is good. That, don't say object, not object. Rathod. More concentration. Required more concentration. Sonal, no. Right. So guys, what is this method return type? What is that method return type? Mukul, what is happening, buddy? Your answer is access modifier isn't given. No, Mukul. If we are not writing access modifier, that method access modifier is default. Mutul, where are you, yaar? Then what happened? No. I'll not accept wrong answers. No, you're my student. Right. Now, again, guys, here, why we are getting an error? Why we are getting an error? Because method 2 return type is int, and we did not return anything. We did not return anything. Okay, now return return. Let me try to give something like Java. Can I write like this? No, no way, no. Why? Because sir, come on, sir. This method return type is int, sir. How can you give a string, sir? Okay. All right, guys. All right, all right. That is correct. That is 100% correct. Let me try to give a value as 100. Now, okay. Now, okay. Yes, this is great. This is literally great. All right, all right. Now, for example, just I want to write system.out.println. I'm writing system.out.println. Wait for it, Pratyusha, wait for it. System.out.println, and I'm giving something like Java is AWSOME awesome. Java is awesome. Now, guys, line number 15 is in comment. Yes. Line number 15 is in comment. Comment means that particular statement will not be executed by the compiler. Okay. So if I remove this line number 15 from the comment, am I going to get an error or not? Am I going to get an error or not? All right. All right. All right. So guys, actually some people are saying that, yep, we'll be getting error. And some people are saying that, no, we'll not be getting any error. All right. All right. Let us check, guys. Why debating? Let us check. Let me remove this. And yes, I am getting an error. Now, why I am getting an error? Right. Guys, are you listening? Are you listening? Are you listening? This is great. This is great. Now, guys, please listen. Please listen to me. If the compiler came across a return statement, one more time. If the compiler came across return statement, means if it interacted with return statement, then immediately it will be coming back to its calling method. One more time. If the compiler came across return statement, immediately it will be coming back to the calling method. Rest of the statements which were written after that return statement will not be executed by the compiler. So right now, guys, please tell me, is line number 15 reachable or unreachable code for compiler? Exactly. What is error? What is error? Unreachable code. Did you understand why we are getting an error here? Did you understand, guys? Why? Because whenever the compiler came across return statement, immediately it will be coming back to the calling method. So whatever the code which you have written after this return statement will not be getting executed. You will be getting a compile time error because it is unreachable code. Because it is unreachable code. As simple as this. As simple as this. So can we write that as a second point? What do you say, guys? Can we write that as a second point? Second point is whenever the compiler compiler came across the return statement. In that particular scenario also, the compiler will be coming back to its calling method. In this situation also, the compiler will be coming back to its calling method. Now, one more. That is, if an exception occurs, if an exception occurs. So guys, do me a favor. We will be trying to discuss that later. This one. Is it okay for you? Like, not right now. When I'm dealing with exception handling. Let me just try to write like this. To be discussed later. Not right now. Why? Because guys, if you want to understand exception handling, a lot of concepts are yet to be covered. So I don't want to take it right now. Okay, we'll be discussing that. Trust me. We will be discussing that. Right. So now, guys, please tell me, in how many situations a compiler will be coming back to its calling method? 3. Exactly. 3. Come on. Respond. Come on, guys. Respond here. Come on here. Please respond. Rajarao, Ajay, Ganesh, respond. Right. Now. All right. So, guys, in all these 3 situations, we have seen 2 situations, like after executing all the statements which are present in that method, and whenever the compiler came across return statement. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to ask you a question, or else I'll do one thing. I'll write a statement. Tell me whether that is true or false. Okay. Just tell me whether that is true or false. Now, Anshul, you're asking, sir, if we want to execute the statement after the return statement, can we do that? No, we cannot do that. Pratyusha, you need to wait for the topic, Talli. Please wait for the topic. Trust me. Okay. Right. Now, guys, I'm going to write a statement right now. Just a second. My mouse. Okay. Got it. I skipped my mouse. Now. Right. Now, the statement is, I'm giving a statement. That is, Ashok, please check your internet connection. Akash, Ashok, please check your internet connection. All right, guys, the statement is, return statement should be the last statement inside a method. True or false? Now I'm asking you the question, like just true, TRE, true or false? True or false? Okay, true. One, okay. Hang on. Okay, 1, 2 falses. Okay, 3. Okay, 4. Right. All right, guys. All right. So most of the time people said me true. That is literally good. So I'm going to say, guys, like, I want to discuss one topic right now. After discussing the topic, again, I'm going to ask you this. Okay. After discussing that method, right now, I'm going to discuss a method. After discussing that method, again, I'm going to ask you. Okay. Right. Now, just I'm writing a normal method. Please observe. I'm pretty much damn sure you can understand this. Please observe. Void method 3. void method 3. Now, let me try to have this as a parameterized method. That is a parameterized method here. That's it, not more than that. You already know that parameterized methods and non-parameterized methods. Do you know that? Yes? Yes. Oh, very good. Very good. Now, this is actually a parameterized method. Fine. Now, what I want to do is, okay, just let me try to write system.out.println method 3 called called. Okay, fine. Method 3 called. That is good. Now, guys, observe the code. Observe the code. Just observe the code and answer me a question. Okay. If A is less than 10, if A is less than 10, system.out.println if block executd, if block executed, and else system.out.println else block else block executd else block executed. Now just let me try to write, hang on. Okay, just for understanding purpose, I'm trying to call syso aobj dot method 2. Okay, I'm just calling method 2 just for understanding purpose. Like, okay, this is method 2, or else I'll do one thing. Just let me try to write like this. Okay, now it will be great. Right click, run as Java application. Yes. Okay. Now after that, now what I want to do, I just want to call aobj dot method 3. Now I am passing a value as 20. Okay. Right now, a value is 20. Now, if a value is 20 and if I'm calling this method 3, can you please tell me which block will be executed? Guys, I need answers from everyone, please. Everyone. Right. Please go ahead. Please. My question is very simple. Which block will be executed? All right, guys. 95 to 97% gave me else block will be getting executed. Literally, that is very good. That is literally very good. Now, guys, up to now, I did not discuss anything about if-else statement. Up to now, I did not discuss anything related to if-else statements. Guys, in Java, we are having a concept known as control statements. What is that? What is that? Control statements. Control statements. What is the use of control statements, guys? The name itself is saying control statements means we can control the flow of our execution. For example, after line number 7, what will be getting executed? After line number 7, what will be getting executed? Line number 8. After that, line number 9. Here we cannot control. But here, after line number 21, which statement is getting executed? After line number 21, else block is getting executed. This statement is not getting executed. Am I right or wrong? So I am controlling the flow of execution with the help of control statements. So a lot of control statements are there, like if else, if, switch, while, do while, for each, break, continue, return. All these are control statements. We will be discussing about these control statements in our coming classes. But as of now, guys, did you got an idea about if and else? Just tell me. Did everyone got an idea about if and else? Simple. If the condition is true, if block will be getting executed, or else block will be getting just normal English. That's it. Okay. Now, please observe here. Okay, Ganesh, one more time I am saying you, please wait until the topic is completed. Okay, Ganesh, can you do that for me, please? Can you do that for me, Ganesh? Please. If you are pasting the same messages again and again, it's not like I am seeing your message, but I will not respond. The flow will be disturbed, Ganesh. Come on, buddy. You already know that. You already know that. Please wait for the topic completed, Ganesh. Okay? Can you do that for me? Please tell me. Ganesh, please respond. Yes. That is great. That is great. So guys, this is for everyone. Kindly please wait until the topic is no, not you. Kindly please wait until the topic is completed, guys. All right. Okay. Now, okay, where am I? Yes, I'm discussing about if else. So if this condition is true, this block will be getting executed, or else block will be getting executed. Very simple. You already know that. Okay. For example, I'm trying to make this as return type as string string. Return type as string. Okay. Now, return return hi return hello. Hi and hello. Now I am trying to print system.out.println value. Okay, just let me try to write plus AOBJ like this. Now, guys, listen to my question correctly. What is the output I'm going to get here? What is the output I am going to get here? Here. Come on. You can do this. Yeah. What is the output? Pratisha, what is the output? I'm asking at line number 38. What is my output? Only line number 38. I'm just asking you only at line number 38. What is my output? Mukesh, output. Yes, exactly, guys. Exactly. I'll be getting hello. Right click, run as Java application. Hello. Now, guys, in method 3, 1 and 2 statements are there. Now answer my question. Return statement should be the last statement inside a method, true or false. True or false. Exactly. Guys, this is false. Why? Because if we are writing like as true, means after line number 24, we should not write these statements. Am I right or wrong? After line number 24, we should not write that, but we are able to write it, right? Okay. Now I want to write one more statement. Can I? Guys, I want to write one more statement. Can I do that? Just one more statement. Now, please tell me like true or false. One more statement, that is return statement should be the last executable statement inside a method. How about now? What is your answer for this? Return statement should be the last executable statement inside a method. What is the answer for this? Exactly true. TRUE. This is true. Guys, are you understanding me? Like a lot, there is a difference, guys. There is a difference. Okay. There is a difference. Right. Okay. Now, guys, just tell me one thing. In this entire method 3, if I have given a value as, okay, for example, let me try to give a value as 5. If I'm giving a value as 5, right now, a value is 5. Can you tell me what is the, tell me the line number. Tell me the line number. Last executable line. Tell me the line number, please. Come on, guys. You can do that. Line number. Fantastic. Very good. Very good. The last executable statement is line number 24. Right click, run as Java application, and we'll be getting our output as hi. So guys, I hope you understood these points. Did you? Please kindly respond, guys. Did you understood? That is great. That is great. That is great. Now, guys, I want to write some small point, like simple point, not at all complicated, guys, not at all complicated. Simple point. Point number 1, first point, guys. I'm going to write a statement. Tell me whether that is true or false. Again. Okay. The statement is, we can write return statement inside a void method. True or false? We can write return statement inside a void method. All right, guys. All right. So 90% of the people are saying that nope, false. Okay. Guys, I will say that we can write return statement. How many of you will accept with me? Oh, no. Oh my God. You are not accepting with me also. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay, fine. No issues. Right. All right, guys. Now, this is void method. Am I getting any error? No. Let me execute. Right click, run as Java application. Am I getting any error? Runtime error? No. Now, sir, what is the use of writing a return statement? No, sir, you cannot write a return statement. Guys, hang on. Void methods, sir, void methods should not return anything. Yes, guys. Yes, okay. Tell me one thing. What is method 2 returning? Just tell me what is the value returning by method 2. Value. Tell me what is the value returning by method 2. 100. Okay. Now method 3 is returning either hi or hello. Am I right or wrong? Method 3 is returning either hi or hello. Okay. What is the value returning by method 1? What is the value returning by method 1? Am I returning anything? No, I'm not returning anything. So can I write a return statement inside a void method without returning anything? Damn sure, yes, I can write. For example, if I'm trying to write something like 50, obviously I'll be getting an error. Why? Because that is a void method here. How you will be returning 50? So not required. Sir, then what is the use of writing a return statement inside a void method? I want to terminate my program here. I just want to terminate. Are you understanding me? I will terminate my program. What will happen? Guys, return statement is one of the jump statement. So yeah, I mean, whenever we're discussing about control statements, I will say, like, I will let you know, Chetan, there is use. There is use. There is use. Guys, inside a void method, if you want to terminate a program, we can terminate that by using a return statement. Okay, in your words only, I'll let you know. In your words. Let me do one thing. Let me try to take, guys, please observe here. Let me try to take a method as, parameterized method. Now, if A is less than 10, if A is less than 10 and else block. Okay, let me try to write like this. Now here, just let me try to write. Okay, now here return return and system.out.println. Let me just try to write 30 and return and here, yes, after this, obviously I should not be writing this. Why? Because this is unreachable code. Let me remove that. Now you tell me, guys, okay, I'm going to call my method one. Let me try to pass my method one as I'm passing a value as 50. I'm passing a value as 50. Okay, so right now a value is 50. Now tell me, what is my output? If I execute my program, what is my output? 10 will be printed. Yes. 30 will be printed. Yeah. Why 20 will not be printed? Are you understanding, guys? Please observe. Right click, run as Java application. See, 10 and 30. For example, let me try to make it as 5 here. Just let me try to make it as 5. Now right click, run as Java application. Guys, what happened to my 30? Why 30 did not got printed? Whenever the compiler came across a return statement, what happened? What actually happened? It immediately came to the calling method. The program got terminated. Are you understanding me, guys? Yes. So tell me, we can write return statement inside a void method. True or false? Yes. This is just an example, guys. Just an example. If else conditions also, there are a lot of things are there. Okay, this is just an example. Harshini, okay, this is just an example. Wait for it. Please wait for it. Ashok, okay. Right. Now, guys, please observe here now. So we can, guys, this is just an example. Regarding if else, I just gave an example to terminate a program. Are you getting me? whenever we are discussing about control statements, you will be understanding that, Mahesh. Okay. Yes. Very good. So we can write a return statement inside a void method, but we we should not, tell me, but we should not waiting, come on, but we should not return anything, but we should not return anything. Okay, guys. Now next point is return statement, or else return type and returning value should be compatible. What do you mean by this? Just tell me what do you mean by this statement. I'm leaving this to you. What do you mean by this statement? Compatible. Sorry, T compatible. Just a second. Like this. Come on. Please respond. Yes. What is this? We should not. Okay. Same data types. If it is int, it should return integer. Okay, very good. If we give int, it should return integer. Okay. Same return type, same data type. Both should be same types. Okay. Int value should be provide for int type. Yes, that is good. What is this? JSA method type, YSA return type. What? Okay. Same. Okay. Same return type and same value. Am I right, Alvesh? Right. That is good. That is great. Yes, guys. Example. Very good. Guys, come on here, please. I'm not that much of fluent in Hindi, but I can, like, I'm trying here. Okay. Right. All right. Now, so please observe here. For example, yeah, you already know that. Here, if I'm writing Java, obviously we'll be getting an error. Why? Because, sir, that is int and this is string. So no way. Guys, I hope you got clear idea about that particular point. Did you got it? Please respond. Yes. And by the way, guys, I want to ask a question which I have asked you in the very first starting demo classes. Like, what are our options for return type? What? I'm not asking how many. What are our options? We can use void plus 8 primitive data types plus classes plus objects. Constructor. Kritika, objects. Don't forget that. Okay. Now, guys, actually, void methods does not require a return statement. Am I right or wrong? Just let me try to write that point also, please. Like, fourth point. I want to write that. Let me do one thing. Let me just try to write this as fourth point. I mean, second point here. And okay. Void methods does not does not require any return type. But if you want to write a return type, you can write it without returning anything. Now, just one more point. Except void methods, any other method return types, return type 100% requires 100% requires what? Except void methods, any other method return types 100% requires RETURN return statement, STATEMENT return statement like this. Just let me remove this. Guys, is it clear for everyone? Please tell me, guys. And in all these statements, guys, if you ask me, sir, what is the most important statement, I will stick to this particular statement. Return statement should be the last executable statement inside a method. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Is it clear? Yes. Now, do me a favor, guys. Do me a favor. Can you please have this program in your notes right now? Please go ahead. Okay, hang on. First, can you please have these points, please? Could you please have these points? Please, guys, please. I mean, these are important here. These are important. Please make that happen. Please. And Ganesh, did you got the answer for your question? Ganesh? Buddy, did you got the answer for your question? Yes. That is good. That is the reason. Wait until the topic is completed, buddy. You will be getting it. That is good. That is great. Guys, please go ahead. Can you please have this in your notes for me? Krishna, you're asking, sir, when primitive data types lecture will be starting? Whenever that comes. Most probably within 1 day, 2 days, Krishna. Okay. Divya, wait for the program. Okay. A lot of people are, I think 2 to 3 people are there here. 2 to 3 people are there. Yeah, Sai Durga, obviously. Yes. Tarun, sir, what about access modifier? What about access modifier? What is your question, Tarun? I did not understand that. Guys, I strongly advise you, please write the points, please. Come on, Tarun, wait for it. I cannot say like a particular date. Whenever it comes, it will come. Please wait for it. Okay, please. And guys, if completed, kindly please inform me. And a lot of people asking me, sir, when Oracle will be started, when UI will be started. Did you got the data in our Google Classroom? Did you got the data in your Google Classroom? Harshini, regarding final methods overriding, up to now I did not discuss. So that is the reason I did not discuss that particular point. Okay. Overriding is a concept, and I mean final and overriding is a concept which we are supposed to discuss under polymorphism. Right, Tali? Right. Mukesh, if it is not suitable, like according to your job timings, just a second. Naidu, class lo class ayina call chestanu. Right. So guys, as I told you, if you're not comfortable with the timings, like you need to wait for one more batch. Right? Nilesh, advanced Java, you are having, not me, Nilesh, not me, like not having like time there, not me. For every sessions, guys, demo sessions will be there. Okay. Varda, Sudharani, this is only for running kind of notes. Okay. This is just a running notes, right? Sudharani, I'll be uploading the data in our Google Classroom, right? Yes, yes. Every day I'm uploading. Did you see that? Is it clear, Amma? Sudharani? Right, right, right. All right, guys. All right, all right. Now, program, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Ishwar, please wait for the topic. Wait for the topic. Please wait for the topic. Please don't keep repeated messages, Ishwar. We are not kids. Please. Like a lot of people will be there, Ishwar. Like one by one, I'll be responding to them. Guys, please wait. Like regarding questions not related to our class, please wait for it. I'll discuss by the end of the session, not right now. We'll be getting distracted. Please. Please. Not on the program, please. Not on the program. Guys, method 2 complete for everyone. Is method 2 completed for everyone? No? Please, please write, please write, please write. I'm sorry, please write. Method 1 complete for everyone, guys. Method 1 complete for everyone. Yes, that is good. That is good. Guys, one more time I'm saying you, like if you want to discuss a topic like regarding, not regarding to our class, like the topic which is going on, if you're asking me a question, I will respond to you once the session is completed, not in the middle of the session. We'll be getting distracted. So please kindly understand. Whatever the questions which you're having, you can ask me once the session is completed. You already know that. Please. I hope it's clear for everyone. Guys, is it okay if I go like that? Please tell me here. Please tell me. Okay, guys, and please tell me, is it okay? Like for everyone, guys. I'm just asking you. Why? Because according to my opinion, like if we are trying to discuss a topic which is not related to our concept, correct? I mean, current ongoing concept, I believe that we'll be getting distracted. So what do you say? Can I discuss that after the session is completed? So please wait. Please wait, guys. Okay. Every day I'll be trying. Yeah, program is not visible. I had minimized it. So please, please. This is for everyone, guys. So I'll not respond. I'll just ignore the chat. Once the session is completed, you can message me. Pratyusha, in void methods, your question is in void methods with or without return statement, program execution will be same, right? Not exactly, Pratyusha. That depends upon our code. How we are writing the code, that makes a lot of difference. Okay. I will, Ishwar. I will. And if you want, you can write the output also, please. This is the output. Mahesh, yes. Right, right. Gaurav, I already tried that. But the thing is, like, I believe if I'm trying to copy the code, if I'm trying to give the code in the Google Classroom, you will not be like writing the code. Copy pasting the code will be done. So code, I'll not be trying to keep it in the Google Classroom. Code, I want you to write in the classroom itself only. Code, pretty much damn sure. Data theory, I'll be uploading it in the Google Classroom. That is fine. But code, 100% you need to write it in the class. Okay. All right, guys. So guys, is it completed for everyone? Is it completed? Is it completed? Yes. Yes. So guys, no one is saying no. I thought it is completed. Gaurav, which line? Gaurav, which line? Which line number? Guys, whenever you're writing SYSO, try to write shortcut. Please try to write shortcut, okay? You can do that, Ravia. but what is the use? Okay, Rabia. All right, guys. Okay. All right. I hope it's completed. I'm removing this. I'm removing, and gone, and gone. That's it. Now, just let me try to remove this. Okay. No, no, Rabia. No, no, no. It will not go. It will not go. You know that a Java program execution starts from main method and end with main method, right? That is not possible. All right, guys. Just let me try to save this. Just let me try to save this. Guys, by the way, I'll upload that. I mean, whatever the content which I have written also in the Google Classroom. No issues about that. Okay. Let me save it. Okay. Now. Right. Guys, please observe. Please observe now. Please observe now. Our next topic is understanding Java main method. Let us try to understand Java main method. Okay. So by the way, guys, what is the syntax of main method? Like you already know what is the syntax of main method. That is public, sorry, just let me try to write like this. Public static void main, public static void main, and like this. Okay, just okay, fine, like this. And here I need to write string array args like that. So basically this is the syntax of Java main method. Now guys, when I started my demo classes, a lot of people asked me, sir, why main method should be declared as like public, why main method should be declared as static, void, all those particular data. Like a lot of people asked me. I told you that guys, we will be discussing about the main method, right? Now today is the day. Let me try to discuss about each and every word which is present in this main method. First one is public, public, public. After that, static. After that, void, like why main method should be declared as public, why main method should be declared as static, why main method should be declared as void, why the name main, and what is that string array args. Let us try to have an idea about this. All right, just let us try to have an idea about this. Now, right, why main method should be declared as public? Just a second. Yes. Why it should be declared as static, why it should be declared as void, why the name main, and what is this string array args? Let us try to have an idea. Right, public, right? So if I want to discuss about that, let me do one thing. Just I want to take some classes. Kindly please observe here. Let me try to take, okay, class B and class X. That's it. Okay. Now this is class X, right? Class A and class B, okay. Right. Now in class A, let me try to have a method here. Public void method1, and simply I'm writing system.out.println class A method. Method. That's it. Class A method. Very simple. That's it. Not more than that. Class A method. Now my question is, can I call this method one in class A? Like Can I access this method one in class A? Yeah, why not? I can access that. So if I want to access that, what I need to write, sir? First write main method. Okay, I'm writing main method. First I'm writing main method. Inside the main method, what I need to do? Sir, create an object. Oh, that is great. New class A. I'm creating an object. I'm creating an object dot method one and call that method. Yeah, that is nice. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting our output like this. Anyone is having any doubt in this? Anyone is having any doubt? Sir, we already know that. Yeah, that is great. That is great. Okay. Now, for example, guys, can I call the same method in class B? Same, exactly the same method in class B. Yeah, first write main method. First write main method. Okay. Now inside my main method, what I'll be trying to do, create an object for, okay, class B dot method method one like this. Now why I'm getting an error? Why I'm getting an error? Sir, you want to call method one. Guys, respond. Why I'm getting an error? Sir, you want to call method one, which is present in class A. So we need to call a method present in class A with the help of its respective class object. Exactly. So let me make it as class A. Now fine. Yep, that is good. Right click, run as Java application, and I'll be able to call my method. Now, can I call the same method in class X? Class X. Now, guys, did you observe? Class A and class B both are present in the same package, and class X is present in a different package. Okay, so what? Yeah, you tell me what I need to do. What I need to do. Tell me, guys, what is your opinion? What I need to do? Sir, first you need to import class A. Yes, that is 100% correct. Why? Because different packages, right? Okay. Import com.pack1.class A. All right, I have imported. After that, what I need to do? Right? Main method. Okay, I had written main method. After that, what I need to do? What you will do? Create an object. New class A dot a method one. That's it. Not more than that. Right click, run as Java application. And yes, I will be getting my output, that is class A method. Now, actually my question is, guys, can I access a public method? Can I access a public method in the same class? In the same class? Yes. Can I access a public method in other class present in the same package? Yes. Can I access a public method in other class present in different package? Of course. Yes, I can access that. So basically what you are saying is we can access a public method anywhere. Am I right? Am I right? Yes, that is very good. Now, guys, please observe here. For example, if I'm making this method as, I'm not speaking about all the access modifiers right now. Okay, I'm not speaking about all the access modifiers right now. For example, I'm saying if I'm making this as private, private, can you please tell me, can I access a private method in the same class? Same, listen to the question here. Listen to the question. Can I access a private method in the same class? Yes, I can access. No problem. Can I access a private method in other class present in the same package? No, we cannot. Can I access a private method in other class present in different package? No, obviously no. What is the scope of private access modifier? The scope of private access modifier is only within the class. Only within the class. Likewise, for protected, we are having some restrictions. For default, we are having some restrictions. Sir, what are the restrictions for protected and default? Wait, guys. I like your enthusiasm, but please wait. Please wait. Whenever the topic comes, I'll discuss. But what I want to say here is right now, public is most acceptable access modifier. Are you getting me, guys? Are you understanding me? If a method is declared as public, we can access it anywhere. We can access it anywhere. Now, guys, in our demo classes, I told you, just a second, in our demo sessions, I told you, in SRC, we will be having different packages. In SRC, we'll be having different, I mean, if we are having a project, inside a project, we'll be having source folder. In source folder, we'll be having different packages will be there. Each package will be having different classes will be there. I told you, right? In real time projects, there will be only one main method present in one class. For example, think that, for example, class A is having main method. Just think like that. In this particular SBI banking project, class A is having main method. That main method should be accessible by all other classes which are present in that particular project. It should be able to access that. Are you getting me, guys? If the main method is not public, other classes cannot access them. That is the only reason 100% main method should be declared as public. Am I clear with this? Kindly please respond, guys. Right. Great. Now let us try to write like this. Just here, what I want to write here is main method. It should be accessible, or else it should be available to, all other classes. It should be available to all other classes in the project. That is the only reason it is declared as public. Guys, I hope it's clear for everyone. Why main method should be declared as public? It is declared as public because it should be available to all other classes in the project. Right. Why static? Okay. Now just let me remove this. Guys, no need to write these points. I mean, this program, no need to write, not at all a trouble. Now, just guys, this is important. Please observe here, guys. Please observe. I am having one more method, void method2 system.out.println method2 called, and here method1 called. Now, guys, actually static is a keyword. Static is a keyword. We can use static keyword in 3 ways. I told this particular point when I'm discussing about JVM. Did you remember that? Did you remember that? Static is a keyword. We can use the static keyword in 3 ways. I told you 3 ways. What are those? What are those? A variable can be declared as a static. Very good, Krishna. Very good. A variable can be declared as a static. A method can be declared as a static, and a block can be declared as static. Yes, Kritika, Sudhakar, that is good. That is good. Now, I just want to declare this method as static. Okay. Now this is static method. Guys, I need your complete concentration. Very important point. I need your complete concentration. Please concentrate correctly. Please concentrate correctly. Now, class A dot method 2. Now, this is case 1. This is case 2. Okay, case 1 and case 2. Tell me what is the difference between case 1 and case 2? Anyone? Tell me what is the difference between case 1 and case 2. Means how I am calling case 1. How I am calling method 1 in case 1 and how I am calling method 2 in case 2. Exactly. Exactly. Guys, in case 1, I am calling a method. I am calling a method with the help of object. Calling with calling a method or else calling, okay, with the help of object. Calling a method with the help of object. In case 2, what I'm doing? Calling a method with the help of class name. In case 2, I'm trying to call a method with the help of class name. And that method is static method. That method is static method. Guys, for static methods, we can call static methods directly with the help of class name. We can call static methods directly with the help of class name. No need of creating an object. No need of creating an object. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? For example, if I'm writing class A dot method 2, if I'm writing like this, if I remove, okay, method 1, sorry, method 1, okay. If I'm removing this from the comment, am I going to get an error or not? 100% I will be getting an error. 100%. Why? Because this is normal method, not a static method. I hope you guys are understanding me. Guys, are you getting me? Are you getting me? Exactly. Okay. So, are you understanding the point that static methods can be called directly with the help of class name? Static methods can be called directly with the help of class name. Very good. Very good. Now, guys, this is important. This is important. Now, what I want to say here is, for example, guys, this is class A. Okay. Just let me do one thing. I'm sorry. Just a second. Okay. Okay. Now, this is class A. Let me remove this also. I don't want this. I just want to write. Sorry. Okay. Now here I'm writing hello world. I'm writing hello world like this. Okay. Now let me save it. Okay. Class A. Right. So I am compiling my program. Let me open my command prompt. And Java C space file name dot Java. Now guys, this is important. Please understand it correctly. Now, every Java program execution starts from main method. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Every Java program execution starts from main method. But whenever main method is getting started, are we creating any object? No, we are not creating any object. In order to start a main method, what it requires, tell me. Instead of object, what it requires? Tell me here. If you want to start a main method, what guys? Main method is a static method here. Main method is a static method. So if it is having class name here, class name. For example, class A dot main. Are you understanding me? If I want to run class A, internally, if the code is like this, is main method is going to be getting executed or not? Yes. Exactly. For example, if I want to run class B, tell me what is the code? If I want to run class B, what is the internal implementation I'm asking? Internal implementation, yes. Class B dot main. If I want to run class C dot main. If I want to run class D dot main. So basically, this main is common. Am I right? Main is common. What JVM requires? In order to execute that main method, what JVM requires? Exactly. Class name is required. Am I right or wrong? Guys, if JVM is having this class name, automatically this is common. Okay. Okay, guys. Now come back here, guys. Java C space file name dot Java. What is this process? That is known as compilation. Exactly. Java compiler is going to compile. Okay. If I press enter, after successful compilation, a dot class file will be generated. Yes. Can you please tell me what would be the name of the generated dot class file? What is the name of the generated dot class file? We have already discussed this. Yeah, name of the class. Am I right? Okay. Now, can you please tell me what is the command for running? Java space generated dot class file name. Java space class A. Guys, are you getting me? Java space class A, right? Now, guys, can I say this as a class name? Yes or no? Dot class file name here. Dot class file name will be same name as class name, right? Now, internally, are you giving the class name? Yes. JVM is getting that class name here, right? So class name dot main, and main method will be getting executed. Are you getting me? That is the only reason main method should be declared as static. As main method is declared as static, we can call main method directly with the help of class name. That is the only reason 100% it should be declared as static. Just let me try to check it like this. Main method, like why main method should be declared as static? Because we can, or else let us try to write like this, because static methods can be accessed, directly with the help of static methods can be accessed directly with the help of class name. That is the only reason 100% main method should be declared as static. If main method is not declared as static, it will be considered as a normal method. Normal method means we need to call it with the help of object, right? So that is not possible. Am I right or wrong? Right. So that is the reason why main method should be declared as static. Now, void. Why main method should be declared as void? Guys, a Java program execution should start from main method and end with main method. Am I right or wrong? You already know that. Yes? Okay. For example, just let me try to have, okay, int like this. I'm trying to have int like this, and let me please observe here. I'm writing return a return 100 like this. Now my question is, this 100 will be returned by method 1. Okay. To which method? Don't say main method. How you will be saying main method? Don't say main method, not main method. From which method we are calling? Okay, for example, okay, void method 2. I'll be writing like this. Okay, now here what I'll be doing? New class A dot method 1. I'll be writing like this. Okay, just let me try to store it in something like int x equal to, and here system.out.println x. I'll be trying to write like this. Now my question is, method 1 will be returning 100 to which method? Method 2. So guys, execution of this method 1, guys, this is important, please listen clearly. Execution of this method 1 will be completed after returning this 100 to method 2. Am I right or wrong? Exactly. In the same manner, for example, let me try to have main method. Now inside this main method, okay, let me try to write, instead of int I'm writing, like instead of void I'm writing int. Okay, retur and return some 50 like this. Okay, now guys, main method is returning 50 to which method? To which method? Are you understanding the problem here? If we are returning some value, if we are returning some value from the main method, there should be one more method. I repeat, if we are returning some value from the main method, there should be one more method to catch what main method is returning. For example, method 2 is catching this 100. In the same manner, if main method is having a return type, there should be one more method to catch what this method is returning. So program is not ending with main method. What do you say, guys? Am I right or wrong? Program is not ending, it is continuing with the main method. But that is not the rule, right? A Java program execution should start from main method and end with main method. So that is the reason main method should be declared as void. A Java program execution, a Java program execution, a Java program execution should start from main method and end with main method. A Java program execution should start from main method and end with main method. So that is the only reason main method should be declared as void. Instead of void, if you're writing any other return type, then the program will not be ending with main method. So not at all accepted. Sir, but here we did not got any error. Okay, run your program, right click, run as. What is missing? What is missing, guys? Java application. Where is our Java application? We're unable to run. Why we are unable to run? Because this is not a valid main method. Are you getting me, guys? This method is just considered as a normal method. This is not a valid main method. Okay? Right. If you are trying to make this as void, let me remove this. Now, are you getting this? Java application. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Right. Now, main. Why, sir? Why the name main? Why the name main? Guys, main, it is just a name. It is just a name. That's it. Not more than that. Upendra, please wait. Please wait. Now, guys, name, guys, it's just a name. Okay. Sir, why they have taken like the name as main? Guys, they thought that that is important. That is main method, important method. So that is the reason they had just given it name as main. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. It is just a name. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Main. Now, just let me try to write like this. It is just a predefined name. To be precise, predefined method name. It is just a predefined method name. That's it. Not more than that. Guys, are you understanding me? Just a method name. Okay. Now, string array args. Okay, guys, I told you, if you are seeing this symbol, what is the meaning of that? If you are seeing that symbol, what is the meaning of that? That is the first question which I ask you today. What's the meaning of that? That is an array. Very good. Very good. Very good. What is the type of this array? Type of this array? String. Very good. Can you please tell me what is the name of that array? Name. Arts. That's it. Now, guys, basically, can you please tell me what is this? Just tell me what is this. Can I call that as a parameter? Yes. Yes. Yes, that is a parameter. Now, guys, main method is having string array as a parameter, and that name of that array is, what is the name of the array? Name of that array is args. Now guys, I'm having a small question here. For example, for example, in the place of args, can I write like this? In the place of args, can I write like this? What do you say? Sir, yesterday only we have covered that particular concept, sir. That is just an identifier, sir. Name. It's just a name. Identifier. So if I'm writing like that, I will not be getting any error. Happily, my program will be getting executed. Are you understanding me, guys? It will be getting executed. In the place of args, you can write my name, your name, NARESH, Naresh IT name. No problem. No problem. Any name we can write. Right click, run as Java application, and yes, we'll be getting our output as like this. Okay. So kindly please do remember, it is a, just let me try to write like this. Java main method accepts a single argument of type string array. That's it. Of type string array. Okay, guys. No, name is mandatory. Somnath, name is mandatory, buddy. Name is pretty much damn sure. It is mandatory. Now, right. Now, guys, please observe here. Now, what I want to do is, Pooja, like why we are supposed to write string parameter means main method should be able to accept the data which is given by the other classes. Okay, that data is known as command line arguments. That data is known as command line arguments. Like I'll show you like how to provide those command line arguments also. I'll show you. Okay, so that is the only reason we are giving, like they have given, like Sun Microsystems has given that main method as parameter as a string array. Now, guys, this is about main method. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is, do me a favor, guys. I'll be trying to upload this slide, entire slide in our Google Classroom. Okay. There are 19 syntaxes are there here. 19 Java main method syntaxes. In all these 19 main method syntaxes, I want you to tell me which are valid and which are invalid syntaxes. Can you do that for me? Not right now. Not right now. Take it as a task. Take it as a task. Okay. Please check in all these 19 syntaxes which are valid and which are invalid. No, 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 no. No, wrong. Gaurav, no. Please check them correctly. Please check them correctly. All right, guys. Right. So, guys, both. Anita, it's not a keyword, it's a class. It's a class. All right, guys. So, guys, that's it for today. That's it for today. Actually, I took a little bit more time. There is a reason. It would not be good if I stop the session in the middle, guys. Java, like some people messaged me, sir, our mobile data is completed. So I can understand. I can understand. So from tomorrow onwards, I'll try to make that by like 9:30, below 9:30, something like that. Okay. According to the topic, I'll be going, guys. I hope you're understanding me, right? So please try to most probably, guys, by 9:30, I'll be trying to close. I know you are having some troubles, but today, according to the topic, I have gone. Like, I hope it's clear for everyone. All right, guys. Okay. Is it okay, guys, for today? Right, guys. Kindly please don't mind. Kindly please don't mind. All right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our today's session. We'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow. Okay. Yes, it is awesome. It is awesome. All right. Now, okay, Umesh sir, which module should be joined by non-IT fresher? Umesh, along with Core Java, you can join like MySQL, you can join Oracle, you can UI modules, you can join. I strongly advise like full stack would be very great. Actually, if you're joining full stack course, I mean, that is literally very good. Okay. And Srinivas, I have uploaded it. Kindly please check that, Srinivas. Kindly please check that. You will be getting that, Monica. If you're not getting like UI details, please contact the admins. Please contact the admins. Demo sessions will be there for Oracle. Demo sections will be there for UI. Everyone will be having the demo sessions will be there here. No problem. Okay. Gopi, what is your doubt, buddy? Can you please message me, Gopi? Gopi, please. No, Ravi, don't join advanced batch now. Don't join advanced batch now. Okay. Try to join advanced after completing OOPS concepts, not right now. Anshul, try to write more than one main method in a program and check, Anshul. Check and tell me. Okay. Please check and tell me. Srinivas, which topic I had covered on 8th February? Can you please tell me? Gopi, tell me what is your question? So Umesh, you can join according to your wish. That's what I'm trying to say. If you're an ASCOM people, I will advise to join Oracle and HTML. So at least 2 to 3 classes per day, that would be great. Okay. Our everyday class start by 8 p.m. Parvesh. Okay, Gopi, you're saying we are calling different data types in main method, but we have string. Gopi, string accepts any kind of data. We can pass alphabets, numbers, characters, right, buddy? We can pass any kind of data. All right. Guys, on February 8th, what is the data? Like what I have discussed? February 8th, what I have discussed, can you please tell me? Anyone? There is no data here. What I have discussed in February 8th? February 8th, I discussed about object class methods here. I have uploaded the data on 7th February only. I had uploaded the data on 7th February. On 8th February, we just discussed only the methods. Regarding the data, I had uploaded on 7th February. Check that correctly. Shrikant. Okay? Check that correctly. Yeah, check that correctly. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed our today's session. So we'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow, guys. Have a great day, guys. Have a great day.